Tenong Bamatuma, the Bani Zertati, the Ponton to Shana, Nathan Chocomatuma and the Katun to Shana. Joy, I cannot hear the whole Northern region, sir. I hear Tamal interchange. I cannot hear Tamal airport. I cannot hear social Tamal Obaza. Everyone in Empire. NTC community, John Mama, Professor Adam Mills, the Mama community, the Borananti, good people in Gombela. Amatia Matia Lashara, Dr. Mamur Baumania and Fuso, one young man of integrity. Pay a suit door, pay a little someone for Nima, who shall come for it of him. What is a Pina Mister? No region, we shall not I don't know the region. The empty September was Bazaar Bula position. Bazaar Bula position. Tama Canon and Kalin Wuria. And you could we shall Utuzo, Honorable Defense Minister. Empty for Bimbala. Coming here we shall the money to Mapia. Karagajin Torumbala. Papa, then you want your first time. Muslimi, Karanya Turkana, Turpurona. Dr. Mamurba, where Yella. No one yet to Gomatuma. Oton to Gomati. Karaparo Samila, Utuzabima, Bumar Bamson, never cannot to Sumba, Mr. Sumu, Ulemgi, Ganaza. The Bumpa Yella. Wumia, now to a pom, Unguruko. Now you call it shot now. Dr. Mamurba Wumia, Okasiku Sari, Umokasiku Selma, Mamina Nini, Mamina, Santi, Mina, you call it, 7 December. We're going to vote the excellency, the vice president, our leader, the president of the Congo of Ghana. When people Tunzo, Honorable Dr. Amin Adam Anta as Minister of Finance. Kabana Zanto so the Yamamina za campaign in Yele. Yatwana za Pampa, Wumia de Yalanga. The Yamamia za so comes the campaign in Yele. One taxi. One comes a Yetomo. One Anyala police station coordinator, police station executive, Anyala electoral area coordinator, Anyala party supporter, Anyala Navusa for Bumbala, the Logan in Yesham. One is a Hatuma, she's a hand of the campaign manager, and campaign to Honorable Dominic Nitu, campaign to our flag bearer, and our incoming president of the Republic of Ghana. The man of integrity, the man of intelligence, the man who can take the Ghana to different levels, to other levels. You can compare Ghana to the Asia or Europe or America or Canada or Rwanda. Apart from so that's more. Nama, Intiana Tuma, Nitum, the Zahani and the Alpha. Mbona soka mzaha yambe toma ne bambukana tomo yikuli yimar banima yimar manima yimar tuzo baba yimar benima soka mzaha tabon la soka mzaha tomo soka mzaha local campaign manager until Dr. Mamur Bawumia kana campaign manager to Honorable Dominic Nitu ka 7 December tabon la 80% of Bimbila food. You say where you say. You say where you say. You want to be voting. Now the Abercanian. Now there's you. Thank you very much. Fire Luto Banyala. Member Music! National Youth Organizer, Honorable Abdul Salam Mustafa.
December 7th, like I say, you know, to go to boom, 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 boom. Is that the Honorable Dominic Mitchell? Is that the Honorable Dominic Mitchell? Is that the one? Honorable Dominic Mitchell. Honorable Dominic Mitchell Nage, Zakarama Janet, Obama Janet, Obama, when you want it, when you want it, when you want it, when you want it, Obama, there's a Cambon in Yelia Kasuya Pam, ne election Sahambara, don't want me to ask the Pam. Ship Pangane Gaston, then Solo, NDC Party, Zimbabwe, Desire, Captain Sherry, is a K. Dimbra, the circumstance will buy. You have one of the best hard-working ministers and MPs ever in the history of Ghana. And now when you call it, President so we inshallah now you go. Okay, Nabi Ina, Mwana, Otuma, Yam Mopom, Katesa, Karpaisa Chum, Tumasha Imbola Kinya, Toricha Imbori Chama, Kadumbo Kinyane, when you Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. The president people like Ghana. Don't make a mistake. You have to vote to John Dramani Mamo Kabukata. And this is Kabukata. The Pona, Wunga Bukata, Wunga can vote to see William Dramani MPP. Yes, so yummy. December 7th. Bambara Nitin Nagi, Kalkum, Wirensi. Lukum Wirensi Naka, Kum the Panda. Lukum Panda Naka, Kum Zazo. Katia Bushaya is a little Karga. Katia Karga is a little Tatale. Tataka Yatua, welcome Namse. Tindu Kosumasa, I, National Youth Organizer, I'm going to hold a press conference and declare the election for the people. Because Tindu Kosumasa, it means that the election is done, it's finished. Election man in Naya. Dumla, in Wood, Jurun Shelmo. Tupaya, ama dichere kadenagete, tingikaya, cheka san campaign man zampule, and non campaign man song, to Altamma, winning Honorable Dominic Mitchell, the president of Ukana, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, now son to Zaha, Hajia Rabi Salfo, Deputy National Communication.
To Dr. Bawumia also have a so partly yel Dr. Bawumia yel mi asambo bekalanya yupo bulgon la pap mi ko ba ni ba go ba na kam December moku years anti kazan love city the Jilmaland don't like nituwo Dr. Bawumia to mazala chenu so nole mpambasa mbana mbechi kamane mbechi mpata ba ibechi ntipata ba ibechi mpila ta ba ibechi natigina na ibechi toruguri am Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ko sabati so kam I cannot lead the MPP government to the Nela government to Bagamsu. Kaka na the change the people of song. Kaba change and cannot share a power. Kaba change the power, cannot share the Yili Danma. Kaba change and share Nandamba. Kazuaka and something of Kwamza for some song. I cannot lead the people. But the Tigil balance of that is Aranya Banda people of Shambeka Lanya. Let that people like a tank who the mother of Papa in a woman. In a woman, I'm robbery the Begana Vena. But I want to take out the constitution like a lot of the Sudan minister, one of the Begala. So the war of the Gunaka and the Pamba, Banyation, Batara, Katala, Katara Pabazo, Katara Dipolazo, those who got the Bama Masham Katachama Begalanya. Kagana to me, put a lot of Mahmoud Bawumia, the top song, the Banzol and a president, and another down for a Kufado. So a Papa Telephone, the yellow in the Cambegalanya. When your Papa Telephone, free SHS. So what the Madame de la Subuma Quale. Padla, you know, the Paulari. That was a lot of the Antipaso. Kala, you come and put a nation in Domina. The Warama, I love City Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, then Galilea come now. No one never did at the Banzol and Talma. The Kaya born in the body Wopolo. Kaya the baby Kaya Polo. Kaya no boy and Pola Galachi Pise, Kakana Tilaba Bamson. Kaya would know your training center in San Martina, Karabur Noon to Bamson. Teach them about the Lambara. So why Malama be a Kaya Polo, no Polo, one good noon to Bamson Shella. I'm getting a bay alkali. Why can a young woman or chava but tap some over? Kagana the left for Paraba, the Banam Bandre, fertilizer and get my caramel some dear. Casson the other day and no shall keep Pupalan carrots, the Chanto and Zella Sanctity. Calabasan, the Madame the Patch and the Beckham walk. Dylan Kasabi and McCoy and Zoya, Zumaki and Bano walk a party, Nella party, then Papa, cup of pig, cup of Yunkura, cup of the people, make a line here. Those on in there, some Shalians and go to Sumo. Umbano Soyame, now won't the be Kumse, how won't the park Kumse, how won't the door Kumse? The donor Kadosh and the Castle, I want to my be a Calabate. Katapanama, the donor Kapaku won was so T.O.B. Calabate. But the people of the donor Kawan was what Bakalabate. Those are young Puma, young Payama, Kalabama pass will come. Kaliana Dr. Bawumia, or Sahambo, or Indian Jetma. Pamang yang pahe, Tontiba yang pahe, never can say yang pahe. Kalara ko balara. Salamu alaikum.
Atabir, Bala Nuzoda Yala, Papa Della Paso, MPP Pop Saraba, Katune, Tiabala CEO, Pop Maso, Hajia, Abimata, Shali, Mahama.
Wagoma yapam. Your Excellency, sorry, Castle Nor Pambazaba, Richie. And Satan land the Shamon, the Passan, the Tama. Sa come cut the canabum, but I'm not so good. Because you could hear now a very young guy. I don't want the empty so one vegetable to my road. I don't have to go back to my I'm to my mind in a Deratoni. And I pass a letter in the money to go. Those who got the Karachi, the United Shalma. The boy I need is number 7. Don't concern Shambam Belama. The elementary for better. So can Sahan in the Tonkunye Bay, Kaganatinam Kana. When all the policies shall the body youth better. About MPP governments, when you're a government is shari what policies that para ka para youth ka para nandama para dalbabe kalala don zomba ni yelia ni yimpunya shari ni danki yanzi table be kalala ka shirin yale ona ne to wulin shijomo ona ko kombela ke ya ta sama shari je o yire pale ne be shabani na be kalala wata ba o mi yeta na tabela yara ta Dr. Baumia vice president in the Fourth Republic ka so kan ba no vice president tuma ka ceremonial tuma nyere be kalala so kan da mi the vice president tuma nyere president no go no too shari ama Dr. Baumia kana nti chaka to bank na kalala nyere o bola tuma for ma o konko ta president on social so president no shari na to ma konko na shari ta pita na ta policies ko konko gina office sino kwa wadanga tena ngora so sorry ame December 7 simi na bembela mwata ponya the stronghold amati ya vote sharma don't vote le nko vote boom kama youth organizer ne ya sharma na vote ti Dr. Baumia miri jama am so kam sa ha mi bin ya share kalala simi ka waza gira tulumona ama rutuma ya wo be kalala that's so you lom ka ti am vote me ti Ghana jane mami di pa Dr. Baumia tenem di pa na ho ti mo vote je ngera ka pa Dr. Baumia ka to vote ti am vote la ngwele mi di table ni December 7 Isaiah ngira ka to vote dale de yanna ka Ghana chantoni de yanna ka Ghana tma o ta di youth so dan so December 7 nta bembela bi the kind constituency shangaza habentira kama sam chama saba ne yella tinya da benyan tinga 80% mpaya kapoe na mesi
kapoe kapoe asha bala nutoza yala hey bambala ba no shele muna nanya format ici bambala canon format l'ordre regional minister you can be sure bala nuti honorable Safi You can be sure. Your Excellency, the incoming President of the Republic of Ghana, come January 7, 2025. Our incoming MP and Minister and all protocol observed. Anawula, ni tumepam, ni hibna, oi Bambla constituency nama. Bambla constituency nama. Yia wuya ni konkonye ya. Northern region. Doti kumbona katikana Eastern Corridor. Yuwaya ni yini mkunye ni bibi tisan mkunye toa. Lega nyeri be kanala. Togumia. Yina minye ka title holder. Kozamo title ma ansang labe. Yini title holders nye yabe ka title holders. Dama sokamza hamire. The northern region, the northern Ghana, but they to call MPP. Can you get MPP tira? Can MPP don't put in Albert Yuhana and Aquana, they blue, that to go easy. Because MPP voted more, parliamentary presidential. So comes out in the bomb like a Becala. Never yet Becala. And then the Dukuba 2008. 2008. Katanana Banyere and the Ambagi, Kayana to Brian Jacob Bambla Kumo, Karasadi and this and Amuni. The honorable Dominic Kananati, Bekalala, and then the Templanana Hane, and then the Lana Kudel Bekala. When that last election, Kanayanum get the body. Nayanuma, we get the body. Then Saka Nayanum got to Tony. Sankara Yanama, then side. To Yeriana Beshao, you get in election Shalom, or Bambalana Nizo song, Netazo song, the man Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, incoming president. And tell me, Mamula Kayawi, no Yelly Twala Yawabeka, Damati Shep Jenny, the Shep Tuzo, the Shep Yidana, the Shep Bumbonuma, Shep Baba, Bekana. Yawanuma, the Minute, Sugar shall come back at Tanama. One Tambunuma, one Tambunuma, one Tambu, you sugar shall come back at Yanuma. Torizo, yet to Anakane, Nahankala, woman, Jabon Kusum, the Papa Kama, 7th. December na won kafara yi pagina no kuli nyela Dr. Bawumia Dominic tila kumpa talpolo katiyele de Bawumia so na Dominic so Bawumia so pozuki nang lala pozu le yekki nang lala Tamatin deke mama to yilo kamza hatu pola sudo bekalala umpor benen yeria na wuzo hatra bito wala korfen yela trabito jidda bare tama amma te yisi sangun honorable topic kampalme inta de 208 tikbi la ha kada kulbira ka tuma sudo nole na nomba ko kwa mene da kwa msuni lala gelbe kalala La nyere politics yetu ayite karate sane bambrate yite karaba ya la nunir nyala palapa te menen la angbala so kananda mayu fiel le kaptituma to zuwa dale te piele te pia kana wu Dr. Bawumia embormene yele adi so bicherso be kanala so bicherso be kanala sherso bicherso be kanala embormene yele yurbiya ma madam demo Chairman Kanguyel do no ala shi Kanguyel do Kumpomo chara no bi kuru korbe tamasa pachinyo awolem alaje Odaba abla yakuba kamune cham maka yunuo tisaha tilebla sayinsi umwone yela mun honorable abla yakuba so man Said so Kanguyel do so tinyela MP onang la ben yer shala kayisham zo ba parge de ba bambe la nunba yulbe eto so na ne kursha ben suti na pisha ben bedwa to so ka so kan ba de kujina ka kunyela domne nan Bawumia domne yembe ka wunda Bawumia domne la nyere domne la be de ko no nama anti sinam shakket on pune on marshiri kayera karmala kama bumbo tiye na lawo anti sinama koma ka boro koma ka bora tiye tensabe to kusai ko wana muna dan kurbani timma na wonka fara dan bayan yina bambara da ba shari'a yelle kam na numba shari'a yelle kam ko ba shari'a yelle kam kai yultu so na wonka fara His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia oyelia no yikana tisaha tembala na bare na chimba pasala kinyatuma yela nem pabiye no lezo ko gargala kachere so na kado yechere na utesere na utesere you can be sure Minister for Finance, MP for Ghana, Dr. Mohamed Amin Ahmed.
What? When you sama shaloma, Tito Gudun photo, Bumbla in Nervous Garret Zaha. Kayunumo, and your Karaganuma, let them beat the Bumblanuma. Let them beat the Bumbla. You know, I'm on in your Shamama. What? You know, Karagabe Bumbla. Karagabe Bumbla. Dominic John Mama Tumbokora Tumzan Sway, Kakan was his own toy. not complete that he now wants to come and complete. Nothing. Muhammad did nothing. Muhammad had a very weak foundation. I am Megili. Kasa Nintore is on the foundation. Gilma is on it. They wouldn't me. Muhammad had a weak foundation. A foundation man, Nintore Corazon, Yele. This was Yilbo Koyagano Timian Tamla foundation. Yilbo, am I got to leave? Nana Bufado, the Dr. Baumia. Foundation shall be Nema. Then you let them Saka. This is Dr. Baumia is coming to build on that strong foundation. By the time Dr. Baumia leaves government, in 8 years' time, Ghana will not be the same. Ghana will not be the same. Ghana will be more transformed. Jobs, the youth, Ian Yella Tuma, and Tumtuma, the Arsiki Gerata Timbanwa Funi, the Pomani Yamakariti Tony. And so, Tia knew for them Shaloma, Teresa Litiam, Tisa Tijo Mama, or I'm coming to me usually, the young part about the Kawuru. Omnati and Yogi, Timpani. Yala Dibata, Shukuru Polo, Ashimti Polo, the Kopolo, Kobo. Nala Yala Tawama, the Yala Demos at the Tuduan Zaha, the Yala Putbarba, the Shukura Chantoni, Katabon, and Shukuru Chantoni. Ashimtinama, Ashimtinama, Katabon, Ashimtinama. Nana Kufado, mean Dr. Baumia. Kon Woody, the Tuduan Zaha, never forget this home. Then I got the lay a shift to Polo. Nana Bufado, mean Dr. Baumia, Konko, Ghana Nipia in this war, Konko, Ghana Agenda 111. Agenda 111 Manila. Maybe a Mela a shift in the man. And then Yinta, Kogi, Nipini. Agenda 111. Community in Ashiptinima. But in like another way, Never Kopolo, never saw to call Never Dirgu. Kasambo Mona, planting for food and jobs. Planting for food and jobs. Tikana Shikurpolo, but in La Wuni Kamambu Piatazo. Nama Baninsan free senior high school program now. The NDCB. Banda be government Shukuru Polo, Pokabra Nung. Ashifti Polo, Pokabra Nung Titi. Mabe, this whole election shouting at the Mama, the 2014, can be partially the Mboria, the partially the Jaya. Dr. Baumia, Nana Kufadu, Bokomnet Manila, a government of possibilities. NDC, Mama Milonira, a party of impossibilities. Government of possibilities, Yellow. 10 years ago, you told Shamana, Karitati and Belmotoni, Titi Tabli, the Shrintati Belmotoni, the Robin Yarakatinanda. NDC, Bishakam got the Sana, the Dinotin Belmoni, Karitati Tony, NDC and Nerokunum. Then I enter free senior high school. I will come right here. Nerokunum is impossible. The free senior high school, I didn't get better than them. Then I am one village, one dam. Kabiyala is impossible. One village, one dam. I didn't get better than them. One district, one factory. Kabiyala is impossible. Then we are better than them. Economy ma. Don't know about economy ma. Profit. Kabiyala economy ma. Need to go to land probably. So economy ma. Fakokana. Kafakone yankana. Kagana nimsa hadir amfani. Alka MPP. Kati TMP get the solana. Katani will be me Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. The NDC is impossible. Miracle now. So, then we are better than so we shall don't work NDC in MPP Mbala. They are a party of impossibilities. We are a party of possibilities. This will teach an election ma. To the ones the two thing you takai. The two thing you takai. The takanya na ula. The mabi someone pull girl to so. The mabi someone pull the love yanga. Murigati am pigi. Mulai tu nanti pigi. Betul Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Muriya kala kafako kana tutuma saha. Kali kumsim kana tutuma saha. Kati saha tu gwamnati ma amfani. Betul tini tani tu pigi. Kisang ifo tilawe. Izanti Mahama. Dengura den manti tutuma saha den manti. Betul yuksimi asali. Isaha kampeni ya iyung tundura puni. Iyung sambalani. Da puni. Lolo kamza Cheleka so kambang. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia munika yang kana tifai tisahabai. Beso pori upon na on the song. 7th December. Bawumia so Dominic so Bawumia so Dominic so Bawumia so Dominic so. Thank you very much. Dr. Bawumia so Dr. Bawumia so Hey! Hukumatun Pasha Madan Dam! Chabai! Hukumatun Pasha Madan Dam! Munenya MPSO! Mun Yukar MP Kamun Northern Region! The president official point now for no poem. Gabriel Community Center. I to Panoso and the Panamanda. Then the Panamanda. Munina Sabashi Dama. Zanti Tamawasa. Alessandra.
Thank you. I see. This is the whole of the NPP. Bimbila Aliye NPP though. 8 o'clock, 7:38. When I jump on, young people are here. Young people are here. Young people are here. Young people are here. Tell the NDC that they should come to Bimbila and see. This is the future politics of Ghana. The future politics of Ghana lies with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. We should not joke. Bimbila town has changed. We have 13 kilometers of roads to be done before elections. 13 kilometers. It will be done by a contractor called Marapoma. They are in town here. Everywhere in Bimbila will be quoted before elections. I told you that will be double roads. They say it's a lie. Is there double road or no double road? There will be street light at the Chamba Junction very soon. And on the 30th of December, the 30th of October, I will invite the Vice President to come and commission the Bimbila Community Center here. And that same day, I will commission the Chamba Community Center. On that same day, we will commission the Bimbila Astroturf. We are going to the university. Let it give no go na class 1. University. Let me also that in the good and so that in class 1. So I want to thank Bimbila people. All the people who have come here. There's only one conclusion. That Dr. Bame will win Bimbila. And Nitubu will win Bimbila on the 7th of December. We will continue with our good works. John Mahama is not winning the election, not today, not tomorrow. Today, I am the one that the Bamia made in charge of Northern Campaign. And I'm telling John Mahama and the NDC that they will not win the election today, they will not win the election tomorrow. Because they have no ideas. Back Thailand about marketing Ghana ya. Back Thailand about marketing Papa. Back Thailand about marketing Nano. Back Thailand about marketing with a bank. But by the problem with John, I can't better than I challenge the NDC to point to one single project in Bimbila here. Bimbila town that they can say this is a good a major project. One. Just one major project. For all this work, they should come and say this is our major project that we have done. One. From Tale to Sabunjala, the NDC should come and point to one major project. On the China Road, they should point to one major project. On the Gambu Road, they should point to one major project. Binchara Zone, they should point to one major project. Bakaba Zone, they point to one major project. That may NDC Yalaga. That you do the job. Bongo by me, but not a bongo by me, but can never buy. But can never buy. Brahma go up to one of the bank, I mean, Brahma got a banana. No banana. So never go no one to me more but 60. In 2 weeks, I've got the next time, I didn't make it to my one. na start to make now before election now no more can make. So wait, that better me a campaign. The bagay tinanti din na ngara di tibaumia. Look at it, but I want to beg the people in town here. So wait, I want to listen very well. All Maposis of this world, any Maposi man anywhere in this world, any Dabomba man anywhere in this world, any Nanumba man anywhere in this world, you all come from one man. That man is called Nagbiwa. All Maposis, all the Bombers, all Manumbers, you all come from the same grandfather Nagbewa. So if me, a Bongomba man, I can campaign for the grandson of Nagbewa, what are you doing? So if me, a Bongomba man, and the Bongombers are going to vote for the grandson of Nagbewa, what are you doing? So I want Dr. Baume to sweep all the police stations in town here. So if you are in your room and you are listening, please make sure that the day you die and you enter the palace of Nagbewa, you can say I voted for your grandson. So Nananye, Mr. Timley Gina, let me wait to buy now. Let Fantiti Jibana, let me Benjamin Jibana. Hey, Puma Prodigy, the fortune is a Numana. So the Permana, not going to my project, Nikanaki, the young Mabreka, the Kama Brother, the Kama Brother, no Mabana. The Atoma Brother, no Brother, not on Babanto. But that's what Banto. But that's what Banto. So Panchamakana, Benjamin, I haven't been Pandai, Zabzubu, Bindu Leche, Pamakama Bay. Mbantunbla sana chapa bamu bamu achela namuna sana chapa bamu achela because party ka titumu pana party mbele ka toina towe yo NDC go mama na bana nina pa minister akufo do funa no pa minister na pa kana banana ba na banana ti Dr. Mahmood Bawumia Dr. Mahmood Bawumia, all of us, we should vote for Dr. Mahmood Bawumia. He's the only person who can help us in Bimbla Constituency here. He's the only person who can help us as Northerners. After 8 years, we will not ask that we wasted our votes like what we did with John Mahama. Because John Mahama's for 4 years, he didn't do anything here. One single thing that you can say I did is not there. Get to Dr. Mahmood Bawumia. So I want to thank you very much for all the support you have given the MPP for over the years. And I want to say that on the 7th of December, just like we defeated the NDC by 12,000 this time, please defeat them by 20,000. So the president. On this time, I'll call the person that we want to make the president of Ghana. The one who, as a vice president, has led the revolution in Ghana. Original ideas, more than 30 ideas. Today you can sell my mobile phone here, you can sell mobile phone here. It is this man. You sit down there, you are using your mobile phone to do A, B, C, D. It is this man. And he's bringing ideas upon ideas upon ideas. In fact, I'll look for a Mambosi woman and marry so that I will give her to Bata. Somebody you can Dana. Can it talk Batu Panumana? We are Batu Panamin, no more. We are Batu Panamin, you let it when we back on the morning. No more. Dr. Mahmood Bawumia on the 7th of December 2024. 7th of December, I ni magama ni chatu toina kai. When I party that. So at this time, I have the honor to call on the next president of the Republic of Ghana, the indefatigable Vice President, the digital man.
But let me say that this election is a direct contest between the presidential candidate of the MPP, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and the presidential candidate of the NDC, the former president, John Mahama. That is a straight fight between these two. One of us, John Mahama, has been president before. One of us, Dr. Bawumia, has not been president before. I have just been a vice president. But I have done enough work for us to compare our records. And I'm going to make 3 statements tonight. Number one, when you compare Ghana as a whole, the government of the MPP under Nana Akufo-Addo and Bawumia performed better than the government of the NDC under John Mahama. For Ghana as a whole, we have performed better, and I'll show you why. Number two, when you come to northern Ghana, the north, we have done more development in the north than John Mahama did as president. Then number three, when you come to Bimbilla, the MPP under Dominic Nitterul has performed much better in Bimbilla than the NDC. Let's look at Ghana as a whole. We have created more jobs than any other government in the Fourth Republic. We have helped more of the agri sector than any other government. We have done more industrialization than the John Mahama government. We have built more roads than the Mahama government, more railway than the Mahama government, more schools than the Mahama government, more hospitals than the Mahama government, more fiber optic cable than the Mahama government, more court buildings than the Mahama government, more drones that we have put in place to deliver medicine. They didn't have an idea. More STEM schools, and we have delivered Ghana card, more Ghana card than any other government in the Fourth Republic. We have brought mobile money interoperability, the first of its kind in the whole of Africa. A digital address system. Today, you can take your mobile phone, sit at home, and register for national health insurance. So when it comes to Ghana, we have brought TVET, free TVET, the STEM schools, and we have brought free SHS for our people. So the record is clear, crystal clear, on virtually all the economic indicators. Virtually all. The MPP under Nana Akufo-Addo and Bawumia, we have performed better than John Mahama's government. and I challenge them to disprove that. Then when you come to the northern Ghana, our 5 northern regions, when Mahama was there, what did he do for us? What did he do for us? He said he was going to develop Ghana and develop the north. We asked him, the SADA that you set up, SADA, what did you use the money for? He said he was rearing guinea fowls. Guinea fowls. He said, where are the guinea fowls? He said they are flown to Burkina Faso. Today he says he's bringing 24-hour economy. We say, what does that mean? He says he doesn't know, but they are going to be rearing lions and elephants and exporting them. From guinea fowl to lions and elephants. And then for the youth, he has Mkuko Kitty Kitty for all of you. This cannot be serious. So I have said, when he was in office, chalk in school was a problem. He cancelled teacher training allowance. He cancelled nursing training allowance. The Alawa was cancelled. We have brought the Alawa back. We have brought teacher training Alawa back, nursing training Alawa back. We have brought free SHS. So, on general Ghana development, we have done better. On northern development, we have done better. As for Bimbila development, that is the champion. They cannot match it. I have contributed a lot to this, our government. As you were being told, 33 different policy initiatives that I have initiated or championed as vice president. 33. If you ask John Mahama, point one policy that you championed or initiated as vice president, he cannot point to one. He cannot point to one. So if it was a sick football match, it's 33-0. 33-0. Now, the one who got 0 wants to be promoted to be president. What about the one who got 33? I should be the one who is promoted to become president because I have passed. So he keeps trying to mislead people, saying that the economy has collapsed and the MPP has not managed the economy and he did better. So I said to him, if you believe in what you are saying, come for a debate with me, man to man. Come for a debate with me, and you will see that your policies are empty. I'll be able to show you that your 24-hour economy is empty. I'll show you that we have done better than you in virtually every sector of the economy, because the data supports that. He knows the data doesn't support him, and that is why he's running away from a debate. He's running away from the debate. But I will keep pointing out the facts. I will keep pointing out the facts. If really he wants, I'll give him a 24-hour debate. I'll give him a 24-hour debate. Then we will debate everything. And he will know where his stance would be by the end of those 24 hours. We are a serious country. I believe in possibilities. I want to take Ghana to a different level. I want to bring in new policies to empower the agricultural sector, to bring in solar power for Ghana, to have more reliable power. I want to make sure that we empower the private sector. I want to make sure that I change the tax system to make it cleaner and fairer. I want to make sure that we digitalize the economy to make everything very simple. When I become president by the grace of God, passport application will be the easiest in Ghana. The easiest. Because every information that we need for the passport is on your Ghana card. So under my presidency, nobody has to go and fill a form for a passport anymore. If you have a Ghana card, just pay the fee and we will print the passport for you. That is the end of the story. That is the end of the story. Persons with disability under new growth goals to bring more jobs, more manufacturing, to create more jobs for the youth. So support me, vote for me as president, and vote for Dominic Nituwu. What is very, very important? What is important, Mabihi? What is important is that John Mahama can only come into office for 4 years. 4 years. That's all he can come to. Me, I can come into office for 8 years. 8 years. Now, he says if you vote him into power, he's going to go on a honeymoon before he starts work. When you vote for him 4 years, you are not going to see him again. Immediately you vote for him, that's bye-bye. But for me, if you vote for Dr. Bawumia, after 4 years, I'll come back to Bimbilla and ask you to vote for me again. So I will work hard. I will drive the car very well for 5 years. Because I know I have to come back so that you give me another 4 years. In the north, the presidency is coming to the north, isn't it? It's either Bawumia or John Mahama. And when it comes to the north and it leaves the north, it will not come back to the north for a long time. Isn't that the case? So if it is coming to the north, do you want 8 years or you want 4 years? 8 years or 4 years? 8 years or 4 years? We want 8 years. We don't want 4 years. 8 years will be better for us. But I want you to note that this election is going to be about our records, about our vision, about our ideas, about our integrity. That is what we are going to fight this election on. No matter where you are in Ghana, I want you to support me. Whether you are in the Volta region, Savannah region, Eastern region, Western region, Upper West, Upper East, Northeast, regardless of your tribe, it is not about tribe. Vote for performance. Vote for competence. And if you put that metric down on the basis of the record, on the basis of the performance, on the basis of the ideas, then you vote for Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia and the NPP. That is what you should vote for. And in Bimbilla, you should vote for Alizini. And you vote for Dominic Nituwu. Vote for us. Vote for us. Thank you very much. God bless you and have a good night.